Tamkan kena yang loser tim song tamkan kena. Sisong yang ngau tamkan kena. Chance mako yang chance mako.
It was very dangerous. Beat by beat, beat by beat.
Tiap sisong tamkan kena. Tiap sisong tamkan kena. Chance mako. Tiap sisong chance mako. Wah mayo. Wah mayo. Tahu pajak koro. Saint Xavier School. Tini dia bani khala naine oro duita ni simi tauk sare ko duita match tongo pongo tinta pongo tang thai malia je football hamja ke video naine rok tauk no subscribe kai tondi ang to daily kai tong tabu koro second round choli tong tauk morong ke loser team yang ke TFC Er sorong khabai kan yang kesak kufur ganang ngangke TFC yang ke loser team loser FC sampai dengan tini naik tong deh tahu nih match ini TFC versus loser FC sawo winner yang naik tunggu ini nih match belai jomong naik morong ke TFC yang kila nih yang loser FC ke takar jola nih start enggak naik tunggu siapa itu nih kalau lagi jomong naik ini out saya hitung leo foul TFC song nih, ya kong ngebol, tam kai mana kena bro? Out. Yang tabuk loser FC song kita naik. Sab song gol kai mana naik tong deh. Loser FC song bangka. Ayang buat chance Riano. Out. Out kita nih yang tabuk TFC song tam kayaknya kena yang second kah loser FC song foul TFC song tam kayaknya kena out angka yang TFC song maka tam kayaknya kena ayam gor chance ya no loser FC song bo sawa winner yang tini naik tung nih seri tung layo kunawo yang maka tam kena yang loser FC tam kena maka loser FC song out corner kick yang tabuk TFC song Tam kai mana kena bro, maka. Yeah. Ona ki khane tahu yang di FC song. Oh, ngeri aja. Tam khane kena yang maka di FC song maka tam khane kena. Yang second naka loser FC song. Ayang buat chance Riano. Maka ting loser FC song maka chance. Loser FC song chance mana tunggu tam khane kena. Yang di FC song ya konggo.
Kiper.
Yang buat chance Riano.
Boya balai deh.
Sige tong loyo sab song gol khai mana ini. Di FC song ya konggo ball. Tam khane kena brok di FC song. Chance mau sih. Hai maka TFC song tam khane kena. TFC song maka hai chance maka. Gol la khai mana kena. Second ada kah. Hai. Oh, handball. Tam khai mana kena tau TFC song. Oh, tolong tiki kira kira hasa pun boleh. Mangga yang loser FC song tam khane kena. Foul. Loser FC song. Free kick. Oh, Rio kayang lama. Oh, nasa nang terlihat. TFC song ya konggo ball. Tam khane kena bro. Chance mana tunggu. Mangka. Second ada kayang loser FC song boy. Sige tong layo. Tam khane kena. Loser FC song maka. TFC song tam khane kena. Mangko borok mung yok TFC song yok ngobol tam khane kena. Yang borok chance dia. Loser FC song yok ngobol tam khane kena. Mangka. TFC song yok ngobol tam khane kena. Tamok khai man nai kana tabu TFC song bunai tabu. Tam khane kena. TFC song ya kongo. Foul tu. TFC sung tam khane kana oh oh ini tiri ka hasab kum maka TFC sung maka hanya hai ayang bo chance re no ayang loser FC sung tam khane kana
yang piji Rahul
ada mako TFC sung tam khane kana maka chance maka ayang bo chance re no out TFC sung yak ngobol maka tam khane kana maka asik fireno sari me wah mayo le asik firi dari me mang ne chance tangga ro TFC sung ni loser FC sung yak ngobol yang second jaga TFC sung bai tam khane kana bro telang ha gol la thema na kena arsa nai buitung ada TFC sung maka tam khane kana em bolom tu ai mai kan tam khai man nai kana yang TFC sung chance tong borong bagai
Dan.
out maka yang loser FC sung maka tam khane kana segai tong leo gen gol khai me ko tam khane kana yang sab second gol khai TFC de second gol khai loser FC de gol khai maka yang loser FC sung maka maka yang TFC sung maka tam khane kana
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
tam khane kana TFC sung
Don Bosco Mini Stadium. The football tournament under 19. Today's match being played by TFC and Loser. The score as of now.
maka chance maka
0.
ajak chance man
TFC wears the jersey red and white. Loser with yellow grey. Today also we can see lots of football lovers, football fans here present in Don Bosco Mini
tam khane kana yang TFC sung maka maka chance maka wah mayo abri me kel pa mayo le tam abo
getting this kind of opportunity again. It's a kick of desperation.
asik wine chance mana de borok imi te tam gol khanya Aba kena borong gol masa naik kena jam kai mapi. Ayah bong ya kongkon ball TFC song ya kongko. Maka chance maka.
It's another shot. Out of target.
Oh, actually. Half time
And
ka.
with this we come to the end of the first half.
0-0. Ken gol kai me naik kena. Second half naik tungi.
We feel great to have them here. They have to do anything.
Second half naik tabuk.
Those girls on top of the stadium, please come down.
TFC song tam kena kena.
Clearance from the defender.
TFC song. Oh.
As a strike taken.
Besar ke gol sakam bleu.
The defense lines no call must keep in. It's a nice clearance from the defender.
Out.
Clean throw taken.
Maka TFC song tam kena kena.
Missed it.
TFC song maka tam kena kena.
It's an offside.
Offside on the kata.
It was a dangerous one. Beat by beat.
TFC song tam kena. TFC song tam kena. Chance maka TFC song chance maka. Wah, mayo.
It is a sin. Desperation.
Asik chance maka.
Here is all of desperation and this kind of opportunity never comes.
Yang chance maka. Yang chance Rena Brok. Out. Tam kena.
Alice is at the base.
Loser team song tam kena yang.
Back not taken. Yes. Just let me try do something for his team. Just remember your hands from
Tam kena yang. Loser team song tam kena.
the save you taken by the goalkeeper TFC. Nicely passed to his friend, but safely taken as well by the goalkeeper of is coming to Donbas Community Stadium. We are prepared the talent, bring out the best.
Loser FC song tam kena. Loser FC song yang ball.
We welcome many more talented boys to come where it is available.
Yang TFC song yang tam kena. Chance maka yang chance maka.
Slowly and steadily the ball is into the danger box. Yes, almost we had the winning chance.
Chance.
Out. The loser team.
Kan gol kami aku. Jom aku tunggu naik kena south. Winner yang ini. Third down south thang.
Nicely cleared by the defender of TFC. Another one, nice.
Chance maka chance.
Just number 10, but it is a call of offside.
Offside.
Nice one. He passed to his friend Joshua Rodriguez once again. Oh, he just missed it.
chance. TFC ini 12 out.
12 out. Another fresh energy into the team.
Yang TFC tentang kena kena bung yak ngebol.
It was very dangerous. The pass was almost good enough, but it was uncontrollable. Nicely cleared by the defender. Another nice. It's good for something, but just number 10.
Tangkan kena TFC sang chance maka.
Oh, he was dribbling too much.
Good.
Nicely defended, but the ball is not away from the danger box. It's a kick.
Tangkan kena yang TFC sang.
There is a wall, the Great Wall of China. You can see 16, 7, 17 and 11 building a wall. Nice one, clearly taken by the goalkeeper. Very cool and calm, nice to see.
Anggo hanya yang loser FC sang yang sering ada kah TFC sang tangkan kena. Maka chance maka. Offside. Offside nih kan.
Fortunately, he's unlucky today.
Yellow card.
Yellow card to jersey number 10. The loser team gets yellow card. It's unruly behavior on the ground. Nicely cleared by the defender. Jersey number 11.
Tangkan kena yang loser tim sang.
What he's going to do, let's see. He has to do something for the team.
Maka TFC sang tangkan kena TFC sang chance mana tunggu.
Once again, but clearly defended by the defender.
Chance maka chance. Ana hai TFC sang yak ngotong kena. Ayang bo chance riano. Loser FC sang yak ngo. Oh, yang bo chance riano. Sao sang gol khai mana tung ni.
Just number 5, Ramirez. He passes to his defender.
Maka. Oh.
Another opportunity here for just number 11. Opportunity here for just number 11. The ref has an eye of an eagle. He will catch any mischievous being down here on the ground. Slightest mistake can be dangerous for any of the team. Till now the score reads 0-0. Time is running. They have to do something for the team.
Out.
Nice opportunity here. Step by step, dribbling and dodging the balls. Just not far away from the box. Yes. But just pushes out.
Maka.
Nicely passed to his friend. Here's the opportunity.
Yang lu darab sisang tam kan na? Lu darab sisang tam kan? Kan gol kami ako.
Just number 15.
Maka.
He was just behind the ball, but unfortunately he could do nothing for his team. What an unlucky day for him today. Have to make something for the team. You cannot miss this one. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Just number 9 takes the shot. Oh, just number 10. He offers his body. They're like the Great Wall of China.
Yang dulu darab sisang tam kan na?
Just number 6. Unfortunately, he couldn't. He's behind the pace of the ball.
Maka yang tiap sisang maka tam kan na? Tiap sisang chance mana tunggu?
Meanwhile, there's another opportunity.
Maka chance. Wah, mayo. Hai mana tu?
This kind of opportunity. I'm telling bar and bar again and again. This kind of opportunity comes very rare. Could be crucial for both the teams. Anything can happen within these 2 minutes or additional minute. It can be a precious one for both the teams.
2 minutes left.
These 2 minutes of time is golden one.
2 minit dong su. Naga tam khai mana na? 2 minit time dong su. Jack Rayman pun pakai. Jack Rayman pun pakai. Wah mayo. Tolate. Anh hai tam khane kana chance song ko yang bonen chance song ko
good. Once again he loses the opportunity.
Fast. Fine. Bonus kanduri.
Offside.
Yang.
Another fresh energy into the team. Jersey number 11 in and jersey number. Just before the stoppers of the time, let's see what he can do for the team. Loser, jersey number 11, the loser, where he does. Last moment for his team. And with this we come to the end of the
time session
and the score reads 0-0.
Penalty kicking sini. Knock the kick. Kick khane yang tiap sisong kila song yang nengoy. Sep khane yang loser FC. Naik na tini sapai.
The first shot is going to be taken by jersey number 10. Titi, let's see what he does as of now.
Wow. ada yang masalah mana?
And as I said, jersey number 10.
Bini tini lak kere ekdom.
He's unlucky today.
Unlucky tini.
He had enough and more opportunity for the team, and he is unlucky. Sheer unlucky.
Tau ki khane yang loser FC ngai. Jersey number 11.
Jersey number 11 from the loser. The name of the team is loser. But let's see what he does. He loses or he wins. It will decide his fate. He looks desperate because it's a matter of team.
Yang macam ada yang loser FC tim ngai. Tau ki khane yang TFC ngai.
Jersey number 15 from TFC taking the second shot for the team as his team is down 1-0. Ayo Rosa ayo tim Rock. He is unlucky.
Mana yang tam nih? Unlucky bang no.
He is unlucky today.
Kita kembali ya. Tahu ki khane yang loser FC ngai. Tam khai mana kena? Jersey number 8.
Loser team. Loser. He has to do something to win.
Yang punya nara, masaka punya yang tim bro, yang TFC sana yang nih, gol tabuk, kick kena.
It's not a good day for TFC today.
Naik kena tam kaiman.
Jersey number 11, he takes.
Jersey number 11.
Jersey number 11, do something for the team. At least they have something
Gol
in the
khair ka.
bag. It was a
Tahu yang
good shot.
kick kena,
By Jersey
loser
number
FC ngai.
11. At least something
Pura,
that they
bin
have
pung
in
pura,
the
tam khai mana kena bo. Jersey number 10.
Jersey number 10 from the loser team. Jersey number 10 taking the shot. This was
Save khair ka.
just a baby kick.
Tam khai kena yang TFC ngai.
Jersey number 4.
Situ ko.
They have 2 goals in the kicking.
Tahu ki kena
They have
yang
to do something.
loser FC ngai.
They have to do something. The goalkeeper, he has to have an eye of an eagle to do something for his team. Jersey number 16 taking a shot.
Gol khair ka. Yang TFC ni last kick, tam khai mana kena.
Jersey number 9 turning it for your team.
Narak din dong ya.
Nicely taken.
Tahu yang morok tam khai kena.
The goalkeeper.
Morok situng make pai kya. Winner ngai. Situng mai ke draw pinai. Loser FC ngai tam khai mana kena.
Jersey number 5 from the loser.
Jersey number 5.
Jersey number 5 going to take the shot. The deciding moment for his team.
Tam khai mana kena. Siap dah khaiman. Yang situ ke zaman. Wah. Pakai yang loser FC sang pakai. Loser FC sang pakai. Morok pulau duita mistake kata. Pulau kick khaiman ni duita. Ya ke borok final chance sang ni. Next match SCB versus Don Bosco Agartala tong. Tim thangga.
In Don Bosco Stadium.